further ado, tara, simulan natin to. So ngayon mga paps, dalawang method po yung ituturo ko sa inyo. First po is punta lang tayo sa Chrome. Then dito po, search lang natin yung GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin. Then punta lang tayo dito sa GCash Help Center. Then dito po sa type a keyword to find articles, click lang natin yan. Then search natin yung my GCash is still not verified. Yan. Check lang natin, then search lang natin yan. Then dito hanapin natin yung ito. My GCash account is still not verified after 3 days. What do I do? Click natin yan. Then mabasa natin dito. We aim to review verifications within 3 days. If you still see we're verifying your account as the status of your verification after more than 3 days and you haven't received any update about your verification, please check your profile in app if you need to submit more documents. Ngayon, para malaman nyo kung hinihingaan